we have to divide rational numbers. Before this whole fraction, we have this negative sign, so we have to copy this negative sign, and now we have to divide 14 by 0.02. 14 we have to divide by 0.02. Divisor cannot be decimal number, so we have to move decimal point 2 times to the right. The same we have to do with our number. When we don't have decimal point, is always at the end. We have to move 2 times, and the empty spaces we have to fill by zeros. So now we have to divide 1400 by 2. So we have to divide 1400 by 2. This is 7 hundredths. We have solution to the first example. Negative sign we copy, and we have 7 hundredths. Next example, we have division of positive number and negative. When we don't have any sign, it's always positive number. So we have positive divide by negative. Positive divide by negative give me always negative. Or when we divide negative by positive, the same rule like for multiplication. The answer is negative. When one number is negative, the rest positive, the answer will be negative. It doesn't matter we have multiplication or division. So in this example we have positive divided by negative, so the answer will be negative. And we have to divide 1/21 over 4 by 11 over 2. So this is equal. We have division of fractions. Negative sign we copy. First fraction we will rewrite. Division sign we change to multiplication. And we have to flip the second fraction. So it will be 2 over 11. And now, before we do multiplication, we have to check if we can reduce something. We reduce, it means when we reduce, it means we have to divide numerator and denominator by the same number. We had 1/21 and 11. We can reduce by 11, so it will be 1 and 11. We have also 2 and 4. We can divide by 2, so it will be 1 and 2. And now it will be very easy to do multiplication of these two fractions. Negative sign we copy, decimal fraction bar. We have, when we multiply fractions, we multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So 11 times 1 is 11, 2 times 1 is 2. We got improper fraction. We can change to mixed number, negative sign we copy. 11 divided by 2. How many times we can put 2 to 11? 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So 11 minus 10 is 1. So we have still 1 over 2. Always we can check. We multiply denominator times whole number plus numerator. So 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. The same what we had at the beginning. And the last example, now we have division of negative number, and when we don't have sign is positive. So negative divided by positive or positive by negative, the answer is negative. So we copy negative sign and we have 1 divided by 7 over 3. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to rewrite. We will change 1 to fraction because we have fraction. So it will be 1 over 1. We always, when we have to change whole number to fraction, we write this whole number over 1. And what next? Division sign we change to multiplication. And we flip the second fraction. So it will be now 3 over 7. First we copy negative sign. Next, we always check if we can reduce something. 3 and 7 we cannot do anything, so we just multiplying these two fractions. So numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. 1 times 3 is 3, over 1 times 7 is 7. This is my solution.